Hello everybody, Brian here, 1:30 p.m., February 15th, 2022. If you like what you're about to see, visit us, join our daily newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact, and get some free PDFs on trading, algo trading, automated trading, and the like. Alrighty, so here we are. We got an FAQ, frequently asked question. I'm going to update it with the latest info I can give you. Right here, and again, there is the contact form, quantlabs.net/contact. Alright, so let's go back to our FAQ. I'm a quant enthusiast. I'm currently working on a strategy to paper trade using interactive brokers, or IBPY. My coding skills are intermediary, so I'm facing issues with including machine learning in my strategy for IBPY. So in that regard, I have researched many points to look for a template or code example where they can include model training and testing on market data. I kindly request you to send me any resources that can solve my problem. It might be because of your package that you're using. About a week ago, just as a tip, I came across this channel on YouTube called Part-Time Larry, and if you search interactive brokers, what you'll get is some descriptions and detail on the API tutorial. Now with Python, it's really tricky. Java's better for IB, but Python can be pretty tricky. Trading interactive broker integration with Python, that's pretty cool. Interactive brokers API tutorial, client web portal API with IB. So there's some new options here, and they're fairly new in the last pretty well a year. These are really good videos. This guy's pretty awesome. That's why I'm recommending him to go through and follow what he's doing. But this is the important one, what I would do for what you're looking for. Backtrader live trading with interactive brokers. And also if you ever want to deploy it using Docker on Linode, virtual server on a cloud, Linode's pretty good as well. So there's lots of really good info in here. Oh, and look, IBKR and ML, so there might be some talk there. Now, the one that I highlighted here, the Backtrader Python library, I haven't seen this in a long time. This is something else I could probably recommend. You can see here that it is built for interactive brokers. I do believe it includes live trading as well. Also includes the back testing, what you're probably looking for. Now I can't say a whole lot about machine learning, but those are the best reasons I've come across for both interactive brokers merged with the Python API. So hopefully I'll help you out. Again, to new people, if you like what you're seeing, just join us, get on our email list, quantlabs.net/contact. I'll do my best to help you out as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.